next episode of this pre-market analysis. And yeah, so I said yesterday that I was going to. So this is let's start from the 4 hour time frame so we can understand why I have this stuff marked out. This is a displacement down on gold, and we have this here. This is the OTE area, like the optimum trade entry on the 4 hour time frame, and the market was reacting from this fair value up right here and this other block that is inside here. So this reaction was what I took the seller from. I think I waited when price tapped into this place. It gave us this, this inverse fair value of, or whatever you call it. That was where I put my entry, and my stop was here, to leave room for the trade and everything. So this trade is currently we go here is currently playing out, so we'll see how this trade plays out. So I have one rule that I'm going by now, like it's either take profit or sell. I'm not gonna be doing break evens or nothing again. When I put it straight on, it's either it hit my take profit or else sell. Or if I'm not comfortable with the trade being in the trade, I'll just close the position and know that I exit the position. So that's it. So yeah, so that's the trade I'm putting on gold. And let's go to this beautiful trade that was in on the this thing has removed. We were in this trade. I was in this trade since like this thing yesterday, and it played out today very well. You would if you look at the previous video, you see that I was in this trade, this Bitcoin buy, and my target was here. It was a 1 to 4 and my target was here. So, and it played out today, even though the market was retesting and everything, and because of the rule that I have for myself, no break even and everything. If it was before, I would have broken even here, or even the moment it came back, I would have broken even. I thought that stopped me out. So no break even. I'm still very, very bullish on the Bitcoin, and this is an area where I mark out that I'm willing to buy from. If price, I'm going to study tomorrow's price action. If I see an entry from here, I would be taking the buy, because it just broke the selling trend line, and we have I think we've been selling, we've been bearish, and we just broke the selling trend line, and the market has now turned into a bullish market. So we'll see how that goes. And I took a buy. So yesterday, like on the previous on yesterday video, I had this in multiple setup on about how many pair, on about 4 to 5 pair, yeah, and about all my pairs. So I have multiple setup, and this setup I didn't have a setup, but as you can see, this during New York today. During New York today, I saw this beautiful setup, and I took this setup. The market broke this, and the trend is still bullish. So this, and I put my stop. If I had used this other block for my stop, I would have been stopped out. But I put my stop on the trend line. The trend line was what I was looking for price not to break, and thankfully I was able to get a 4 hour trade on me targeting this high. As you can see, it all happened under 1 hour, and a beautiful trade. Even though I was like telling myself, why didn't I hold till here? But that's a grid that God has installed in us as traders. So I'm still bullish on this pair until we come and break this trend line. So, but currently right now, I'm off this week already, so I'm not really looking for trade like that. So let's see. And this one hit TP yesterday. We also the TP that we hit yesterday, and so another trade played out today. This area played out, but I didn't take this trade. But so right now we've broken this resistance here, and on this pair, the market has already turned into like a bearish market already also. So I'm just trying to, like, I used to from here to here, and this area is where I'll be looking to sell from. But I'm really not like, I'll wait for the setup to present itself. So, and overall this week, I'm good this week. I think I had just one loss this week, and that was on Monday. And I've had about 5 trades, and everything is good. So yeah, I'm pretty solid. So the trade hasn't presented itself, and this my prediction in this, I'm looking for price to, you know, walk its way all the way all up here, and I'm looking to sell from this area. So that's the market prediction for this week, and let's see what will happen. So this trade right here might happen tomorrow. I don't think, is it going to happen tomorrow? Let's see. It might happen tomorrow, it might happen on Friday, but whatever happens, we'll be here. So thank you for subscribing and thank you for following. See you on the next video.